Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add licenses and certifications on LinkedIn. First of all, of course, you'll need a LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's get straight to it. So let me just launch my LinkedIn. And as we said, we want to add our licenses and certifications on LinkedIn. So all I need to do is just go and head up to my profile by clicking at my icon at the top left corner. Then click add view profile. Here, all I need to do is just go, let me remove the keyboard first. All I need to do, as I said, just click at add section. Here, you'd like to look maybe for add certifications or license. I didn't find it on the core. Go to recommended. As you can see here, we have add license and certifications. Just click on that, and as you can see here, you have the name of the license or certification, the issuing organization, the issuing organization, as I said, the issue date and expiration date. Of course, you will need a credential ID and a credential URL. So after filling all of that, all you need to do, just go and click at save. Of course, I didn't mention that, but the thing with the kind of a star at the right of the name, that means that is required and necessary to fill. But as you can see, the other things that don't have a star at the right of the name, that means they are not necessarily, they are optional. So fill the name and the issuing organization, which is necessary. And if you want, fill this as well. And then all you need to do, just go click at save. For me, I don't have anything to fill here, so I'm just gonna click X. And after that, the things that you add will appear here on your profile and you will be all done. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.